Welcome to our channel. We are back with an interesting update on BSA motorcycles. Please watch our video without skipping, to know all the details. If you are a classic retro bike lover and if you are looking for one, then this update is for you. Mahindra owned Classic Legends had bought rights of BSA motorcycles back in 2016 for around 28 rupees crores and has now reintroduced the BSA Gold Star. This new 650 cubic centimeters motorcycle made its public debut earlier this month, at the Motorcycle Live show in the UK. It has been designed and developed in the UK, and will also be launched there first. It may be recalled that the BSA Gold Star was originally sold between 1938 and 1963 when it was offered with engine options ranging from 350 cubic centimeters to 500 cubic centimeters. It now comes in retaining some of these old-school design elements, but with more modern underpinnings, and a newly developed 650 cubic centimeters engine. BSA Gold Star 650 is positioned on a double cradle frame, sports traditional rounded headlamps, with integrated LED DRLs and an LED tail lamp. It also receives wide-set handlebars, and a teardrop-shaped fuel tank along with wide fenders, spoked wheels fitted with Pirelli Phantom Sports Comp tires, and a single seat setup. Chrome accents are seen on its body around its headlamp housing, fuel tank, and exhaust pipe. The bike gets a twin-pod instrument cluster with an analog speedometer and tachometer and an LCD multifunction display. A new TVC set against a dark night backdrop draws our attention to the classic features and engine specifications of this reborn BSA project. Some of these designs have also been inspired by the classic Bonneville twins. BSA Gold Star will receive multiple color options, that will include Insignia Red, Dawn Silver, Midnight Black, Highland Green, and Silver Sheen, Legacy Edition. It will weigh 213 kgs and have a wheelbase of 1,425 mm, a seat height of 780 mm, and a fuel tank of 12-liter capacity. BSA Gold Star comes in powered by a 652 cubic centimeters motor offering 45 HP peak power at 6,000 rpm, and 55 nanometers peak torque at 4,000 rpm. The engine gets mated to a 5-speed transmission. Suspension and braking are via a 41mm telescopic fork in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, along with a single disc at both ends with Brembo calipers, and Continental dual-channel ABS. Classic Legends has not announced any definite plans to launch the new BSA Gold Star in India. More recently, the BSA 650 cubic centimeters was also spied on test in India, with the likelihood that the company could produce this motorcycle in India, solely for export purposes. 2022 BSA Gold Star 650 will go on sale in the UK first, wherein it will rival the likes of Royal Enfield 650 Twins, Kawasaki W800, and Triumph Street Twin. If launched in India, the new Gold Star will be positioned in a similar segment as the Royal Enfield 650 Twins. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share, if you like our content.